Day 3. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm so happy to be here. Braydn and Alex are still getting a little bit of a power nap. We're way behind schedule on today, but it's expected. It's the first day out here, so we're gonna get nuts. This is us going through Spain. In the afternoon, 1:30, probably 2 by now, but I told him I would be back in an hour to pick them up, so I'm headed back there right now.
What's up, guys? Day 2. It's April 9th, I believe, and probably had one of the fucking greatest nights of my life last night. Fuck, it was unbelievable. When we first got there, I was like, what the fuck? You see like these skinny ass buildings with like the club name on it, and at first I realized, I was like, oh well, they're probably underground, but like it was fucking awesome. The DJ Rehab, he was playing there, fucking super great. Met some fucking cool people, more than I met like in this past whole year alone. Just met like some awesome fucking people, and can't wait to fucking meet some more.
So our first night fucking partying and go to sleep till fucking what, 7 a.m. As you can see it on my face, I got one fucking hair standing up. That's how you know we fucking partied hard, man. Got some fucking cool ass people, man. It's a beautiful fucking city out here. And can't wait to explore more.
Try to party explore.
Where are you at?
Tapas, main strips of Barcelona.
Guys, we just had a couple snacks here at Tapas Restaurant I. Delicious, delicious food. Anytime if you ever get the chance to come and visit, I definitely recommend. Look at that castle right there. Look at this castle. You see that castle? We don't got those in Riverside.
Absolutely beautiful. Architecture of everything is just so amazing. Nothing like California or America, obviously. You know, excited to experience and learn, absorb everything.
Walking through the streets here in Barcelona, as you can see, it's just a beautiful, beautiful city. You know, just getting a little bit of taste of the culture and, you know, what everyday life is for them, you know. Kind of almost have to go outside your comfort zone just to experience new things, man. It's beautiful and fucking beautiful.
So we're at the La Boqueria street in Barcelona, or market, I shouldn't say street. La Boqueria market in Barcelona. Down here, you got a bunch of fucking meat. You got some fucking vegetables and fruit, all types of different shit. I'm so happy to be here because I've seen this on other YouTube pages with my homie Braydn. So glad he's here. My homie Alex is recording this fucking video.
I'm about to try something really good right now.
What are you trying?
I'm not sure exactly what it is. I'm looking at some beef, onions, peppers. Looks like heaven to me. First time trying. Whatever the fuck this is. Hot. Can't go wrong. €5.
So this is an empanada de pollo. A ver. A little hot. Good, boy. Good cook. Can't be it. You got black olives and chicken. Beautiful combination. Wonderful. That's pineapple and strawberries.
Yeah, see,
fucking delicious.
This guy knows.
Looks like there's like 30 different things on there. I'm not gonna
We're gonna head back to the hostel, grab a beer, relax a little bit, recharge the batteries, you know, fucking hang out with the homies, have a good time, but I wanted to capture this because I fucking love it. It's fucking amazing. I'm so happy to be here.
There is something different in the way you speak.